All right, this is the ceramic coating, and this puts a little even slicker top on top of it. This one's already been done. You can see the shininess of it. There's orange peel in it, but that's the paint from Yamaha. All right, look at this bad boy. That's some dang shine. Unfortunately, from where this and up, you're not gonna see because there's a cover that goes over that once you put the ski back together. But here, look at that. See me walking on by. You can see the orange peel though. See, that's called orange peel. That's called bad paint from Yamaha. If they do that from the paint, you can't polish out the clear coat. I did polish out the clear coat, so that is really smooth and flat, but you can't get to the paint. There's that beautiful 300 horsepower supercharged engine. Where's that supercharger down there? Oh, there's that supercharger. All right, and the rest of this painted up. GP1800R ceramic coated.